Power BI is a collection of software services, apps, and connectors that work together to turn your unrelated sources of data into visually immersive and interactive insights. Power BI lets you easily connect it to various data sources. Let's say if your data may be on Excel spreadsheet or a collection of cloud-based and or on-premises data, this Power BI lets you easily connect it to all different sources at one place and helps you to visualize and discover the facts in the data. Power BI consists of different elements that all work together. So let's start with the basics. We need to know three main elements of Power BI. So Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service, and Power BI Mobile apps. Power BI Desktop is a Windows desktop application which lets you to create reports, and Power BI Service is an online software as a service SaaS service which lets you create and publish your reports and let your users to view and utilize those reports and dashboards. And Power BI mobile app let your business users to consume business insights in a way that serves them most effectively. Next, we need to know the flow of work in Power BI. So the common workflow in Power BI begins by connecting to data sources in Power BI desktop. So it all depends on where your data lies. So connect to all different data sources where your data lies and then grab the data, then start building a report and then publish this report on Power BI services, then finally share it so that your business users can able to consume your business insights.